Hello, a very good morning to everyone. Dear students, today we are going to start our next exercise 8.3 and this exercise is based on these 6 formula. Okay, if you remember these 6 formula you can solve easily. Look at how to find. Okay dear, look at sine 90 minus 90 degree and angle minus is always cosine. Look at why they are equal. Look at here. Suppose everyone know we are talking about what angle? Angle is A. Angle A or not? Otherwise you can take theta also. It's okay. 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. Okay dear. So look at, suppose we are taking angle is A. Opposite of angle perpendicular. It is base. It is hypotenuse. Everyone know? Opposite of this one, what is? Perpendicular. And in a triangle there, it is 90 degree, it is A, and this angle is how much remain? Can I write it 90 minus A? Yes, because the sum of all three angle is 180. It means angle A plus C equal to 90 or not? Angle A, so angle C how much? Angle C is 90 minus A. Understand or not? It's very simple dear. If it is 30, so 90 minus 30, how much? It is 60. If it is 60, so 90 minus 60, it is 30. Very simple. Okay dear. So look at here now. Look at, if I find you here sine A. What is angle? Angle is A. So sine A is opposite of this one, perpendicular. What is perpendicular? BC divide by AC. Okay dear. Same as it is, if I check, if I want to find this angle 90 minus A. How many angle? 90 minus A. Because suppose like this one, if I want to find cos C, it is angle C or not? Opposite of angle C is perpendicular. Now it is become perpendicular or not? Because if we want to find cos C, always opposite of angle is perpendicular. Opposite of this one perpendicular. What is? A. It is perpendicular. It is perpendicular. It is base. Base is BC by AC. Understand? And cos C, what is angle C? Angle C is 90 minus A. So in place of C, can we put 90 minus A? Yes. So cos 90 minus A equal to BC by AC. We observe that sine A is BC by AC. Cos 90 minus also BC by AC. So it means both are equal. So sine A equal to cos 90 minus A. Okay dear. Cos 90 minus A. Why they are equal? Now you understand? Because dear, when we take this angle A, it is 90 minus A, and when angle is changed, so perpendicular and base is also changed. That's why. Okay dear. Same as it is dear. Sine 90 minus A. If you will find this angle is how much? 90 minus A. So we will find sine 90 minus A. What is angle? 90 minus A. Opposite of angle? Perpendicular. It is perpendicular. AB by hypotenuse. AC. Same as it is equal to cos A. We will check it. Yes, it is cos A. Now, opposite of this one, perpendicular. It is base. So base is AB upon AC. Both are equal. So sine 90 minus A is equal to cos A. Same as it is, all we will find dear. Okay? Same as it is. Don't be confused here. Suppose if you want to find tan 90 minus A, tan 90. Opposite of 90 minus A, perpendicular. Perpendicular is AB. So it is tan is always perpendicular by base. Base is BC. Now is equal to cot A. Cot A. Angle is A. Opposite of A is perpendicular. It is base, and cot is base divided by. Base is how much? AB by BC. It means they are also equal. Understand? So always remember dear, when we take sine 90 minus A, sine is equal to cos A. It is cos 90 minus A, sine. Tan and cot, and second cosec. Okay dear? It is very important, and you can check it from the table also dear. Look at, everyone know sine, cos. Okay dear? And angle is, suppose it is angle sine A, cos A. Okay, it's okay. Look at, it is 30, 45, and it is 60, suppose you know. Okay dear? Now sine 30, 1 upon 2, it is 1 upon root 2, it is root 3 by 2, it is root 3 by 2, it is 1 upon root 2, it is 1 upon 2. So look at what I told you, sine 90, any angle you will find. Suppose we will find sine 30. Sine 30 equal to sine A. Sine A is always cos of 90 minus this angle. Good. Cos 90 minus what angle is equal to sine of angle A. What is sine angle A? 30. So it is 30 or no? They are always equal. Yes. Sine 30 equal to 90 minus 30. So cos 60 or not? Look at. Cos 60 1 upon 2 and sine 30 1 upon. Okay dear. Otherwise, look at once again. Look at sine. Now I am taking sine 90 minus A is always equal to cos A. Any angle you can put in place of A. Suppose we are taking A is 30. So sine A is 30. 90 minus. Always we will write what angle we are subtracting from 90. A. Then we will write cos A. If we are subtracting 30, so it is cos 30. Why? Look at sine 60. 90 minus 30. Sine 60 equal to cos 30 or not? Check it. Sine 60 root 3 by 2. Cos 30 root 3 by 2. So always remember dear, whenever sum of angle, sine angle and cos angle is 60 plus 30, 90, both are equal. Okay dear. Suppose I write here. If I write here, what is sine 90 minus B, it is equal to cos of B. Okay, angle. Okay dear, because both of the sum is how much? 90 minus B plus B, B 90. Okay dear. Same as it is sine 90 minus 45 is equal to cos 45 or not? Look at 90 minus 45, 45. Sine 45 1 upon root 2 is equal to cos 45. Yes, both are equal. Okay dear. Same as it is. Look at, you can find for tan and cot also. Tan. It is tan. Tan 30, 1 upon root 3. It is 1. It is root 3. Cot value, it is root 3. It is 1. It is 1 upon root 3. So look at tan 90 minus A. Always remember tan 90 minus A is equal to cot A. You can take any value. Tan 9, any angle you can take. Suppose tan A is 30 degree. Tan minus 30 equal to cot 30 or not. Look at 90 minus 30. Tan 60. Tan 60 value root 3 equal to cot 30. Root 3. Angle 60 plus 30, 90. It is meaning tan 1 degree equal to cot 89 degree. Understand? No. Why? Why they are equal? Yes. Tan 1 degree. Tan 1, how can you find? 90 minus 89. Hey, 1 degree how can you find? 90 minus 81. It is tan 1 or not? And tan 90 minus A is cot. What angle we are subtracting? A. Here we are subtracting 80. Both are equal or no? Understand? Same as it is tan 20 degree equal to cot 70 degree. Okay, dear. Always you have to remember sum. You have to check it. Sum is 90. If sum is 90, tan 90 minus some angle is equal to what angle we are subtracting? It is cot A. Same as it is for this one. Okay, dear. Now look at the question. Only you have to remember these 6 formula here for exercise 8.3. If you know these 6 formula, you can solve very easily. Sin 90 minus A, cos A. Cos 90 minus A, sin A. Tan 90 minus A, cot A. And cot 90 minus A, tan A. Okay? Here don't rethink sin and cos opposite. Here sin and cos. Okay? When we are subtracting from 90. Sec 90 minus A, cosec A. And cosec 90 minus A, sec A. Very easy exercise here if you have remember only these things. Look at 8.3. First question. It is sin 18 divided by cos 72. Look at here. Don't cut. Sin 18 cos 72. 18 1 18 4. No. We cannot cut. Why? Because it is not meaning sin into 18. You know na? It is only angle. We cannot cut. Always dear, we can cut only in one thing. Here also cos theta. Here also cos theta. Both are cos also, and both are angle is also same. Then we can cut. Okay, dear. So look at here. We observe that one is sin, one is cos, one is 80 degree, one is 18, one is 72. So either we will change in sin or we will change in cos. Because cos divided by cos we can cut or not. But sin divided by cos we cannot cut. So look at. But we observe that always only one thing you have to identify in such type of question. What? Sum is 90 or not? 72 plus 18. 19. Yes. Good. Look at. Can you write it? Sin 18. Can you write 90 minus 72? Yes. Only we have to write sin sin. Sin bracket 18 mean 90 minus 72. Look at cos 72. Look at now. Sin 90 minus A. Sin 90 minus A is cos A. Cos A. A mean what angle we are subtracting? What angle we are subtracting? 72. Cos 72. And now? Cos 60 both are same value or not? Cos 72, 72. Cut. How much answer? 1. Understand here? We can do this question by another method also. How? Now here we change sin. You can change it. Cos also. Look at sin 18 divide. We want to change in sin because both we are. So we will change it is okay. Now cos how much? 72. We will write 72. How? From what angle we are subtract? What angle we have to subtract from 90? Then it is become 70. To 90 minus 80. Always remember. If you don't remember, what angle is in numerator? 18. So here also 90 minus 18. 72 or not? Now look at sin 18 and cos 90 minus some angle. Cos 90 minus A is sin A. Cos 90 minus B, sin B. Cos 90 minus C, sin C. But here what angle we are subtracting? 80. So it is sin 80. 18 cancel it. Answer is 1. Always remember dear, whenever they are divided, answer will come 1. Definitely, every time. Okay dear? Understand or not? Next part, B part, note down it. Now again dear, tan 26 divided by cot 64 angle. Again sum 64 plus 26 90. So we will use this formula. So we can cut only when both are same trigonometry ratio. Both are tan or both are cot. So look at, so tan 26, what you can write? 90 minus 64 divided by cot 64. Tan 90 minus A. Tan 90 minus A, cot A. Cot is 64. Cot 64. Cot 64. What is answer? Answer is 1. Otherwise, you can change cot also. Cot, what you write? Cot 90 minus 26. Understand? Then it is become tan 26. Tan 26 divided by tan 26. 1. So always remember, whenever they are divided, answer will come 1. Okay dear? Many times this question come in 1 mark. Okay dear? Always we have to check it. If we are dividing, sum is 90, direct right answer 1. Okay dear? So note down it. You have to do yourself this one. Look at next. And every time you will use which formula you are using. Okay dear? It's very simple. Sin 90 minus A, cos A. Cos 90 minus A, sin A. Tan 90 minus A, cot A. Cot 90 minus A, tan A. Opposite only. Next is here. Third part. Cot. What is given? Cot or cos? Cos. Cos 48 minus sin 42. Again, check it. 48 plus 42. 90. So again we will write same as it is. Cos 48, what you can write? 90 minus, what is angle? This angle. 42. 90 minus 42 always 48 minus sin 42. Now you will write cos 90 minus A is equal to sin A. Formula you will write in a question. Okay. Sin 90 minus A is sin A. So it is become sin 42 minus sin 42. Yes, it is positive, it is negative. Both are cancelled or not? Because sin 42 and sin 42 value will be same or not? And one is positive, one is negative. So it is, what is answer? 0. Whenever come in negative, they are not in denominator numerator, they are coming plus minus, answer is 0. Otherwise you can change sin in cos. So what you write? Sin 90 minus 48. So it is become cos 48. Cos 48 minus cot 40. Do yourself. Okay dear? You have to do yourself. Fourth part. Again, cosec 31 degree minus sec 59. Again check it. 59 plus 31, 90. Sec change in cosec. Cosec change in sec. Any one you can write. So you can write cosec. What you can write? 31. 90 minus 51. Again sec 59. So again it will become sec cosec 90 minus A is sec A. It is minus sec 15. Again cancel. What is answer? 0. Okay dear, please note down it. Now dear, this is the question. Tan 45, tan 48, tan 48, tan 23 multiply tan 42 multiply tan 61 equal to 1. We have to show that all these product is 1. So look at dear what we will do. First we will check it. Yes, 48 plus 42. 48 plus 42, 90. 23 and 67, 90. So we will change them. Okay, we will make the angle same because it is 42. It is 42. They are different angle or not? So how to make? Look at 10. Either you can change 48 or you can change 42. And 48, what you can write? 90 minus 42. Can we write or not? 48 is 90 minus 42. Same as it is. From 1048 and 1042, we will change only one because 10 minus it is 42. It is also 42. No need to change this one. Okay, dear. Now we will change it second. Either you will change this one or 1067. We are changing this one. 1090 minus 1090 minus 42. Now it is 1090 minus 67. It is same as it is. No need to change this one. Why? Because we already changed it is 42. Okay, dear. Now 1090 minus A. 1090 minus A. Cot A. So it is become cot 42. Okay, dear. Multiply 1090 minus 67. 1090 minus A is cot A, but it is in place of A is here 67. So it is cot 67. Multiply 1042 into 1067. Yes, can we cut this one and this one? Why not? Look at. Do you remember now formula? Tan A into cot A is always 1. Tan A 42. Cot 42. It means A or not? So it is how much? Otherwise, you do remember now? Tan A is always opposite of cot A. Do you know? So you can change by this formula. Tan A or cot A equal to. Cot is opposite of tan or not? So you can change either in cot, this one and this one, or either in tan. So what I can write? Cot 42. Can you write cot is opposite of tan? So 1 upon tan 42. And here also multiply tan 42. Multiply. Again you can change. Cot is opposite of tan. It is meaning tan 67. It is tan 67. Look at tan 42, tan 42, tan 67, tan. What is answer? Answer is 1. Understand here? You can change cot. You can change tan also. Tan 42. Tan is opposite of cot. So it is 1 by cot 42. Cot 42. Cot 42 cancel. It is what you can write. 1 upon cot 67. Cot 67 cancel cot 67. Solve it. Okay. But always remember formula. Because tan is opposite of cot. Tan equal to 1 by cot A. Cot A is 1 by tan. Note down it. Now dear, second part of second question you have to do yourself. Now question number 3 and 5 both are same. Fifth question you have to do yourself. Now question number 3. Look at here. And now it is given tan 2A equal to cot A minus 18. We have to, what its meaning dear, find value of A. What value we will put in place of A, then both sides become equal. Okay dear. Do you remember exercise 8.2 question number 3? I write here tan A plus B equal to root 3. So how can we write? It is angle, it is also angle. So what we can write? Tan a plus b equal to 10. 60 value, root 360 or not? Then we write a plus b is also angle. It is also, both are 10, 10. That's why I write a plus b equal to 60. Do you remember? Do you have remember? Same as it is. 10 2a angle. Here is a minus 18. Can we write equal? No. Because one is 10, one is cot. So what we will do? Either we will write it is in change, we will change cot in 10, or 10 will change in cot. So what and how to change? Do you remember? Yes, by this formula. Can you write? Look at 10 2a. Can you write it dear? 10 90 minus what angle? Angle is a minus 18. Look at, no need to be confused. 10 90 minus a angle, always cot of angle, same as it is. 10 90 minus some angle is cot some angle. What is angle? A minus 18. Are you understand? You can write formula 10 90 minus a is always cot a. Why we did it? Because dear, now it is become 10 10. What is angle here? 2a. It's mean dear, 2a is equal to 90 minus a minus 8. It is 10 10 and both are equal. It means this angle and this angle must be equal or not? Then their value is also equal. So we will write 2a equal to 90. Negative into positive, negative, negative into negative, positive. Understand dear? So we change here 10. Otherwise dear, you can change it in cot also. What will write? Cot 90 minus a. Cot 90 minus 2a. Okay dear? So we will write. So look at 2a. We want to find a right one side. A is here negative, another side positive. 2a plus a 3a equal to 90 plus 18 108. So a 108 divided by 3. What is a? A is 36 degree. How much? A is 36 degree. Understand here? You can change. It is also in cot. Look at 10 to a. Can you write cot 90 minus what angle? 2a. Cot 90 minus a 10a. So cot 90 minus 2a 10 to a equal to cot a minus 18. Now you can write 90 minus 2a equal to a minus 18. Again 2a another side positive. 2a plus a 3a. 18 another side positive. 90 plus 18 108. Again same answer. Okay dear. So always remember, either we will change left side or right side, but both angles should be same. Okay dear. Please note down it. By any method you can do it. Now same as it is dear, question number 5. Very important. Question number 3 and 5 and 4 very important. Okay dear. Always remember. So find the value of a. How to find? Same as it is. We know we can change sec in cosec. Cosec in sec. So it is one side is cosec, one side is sec. So we will change it or not? So what we can write it is? Can you write cosec 90 minus 4a? Cosec a minus 20. Yes. Cosec 90 minus a. Cosec 90 minus a is always sec a. But is a is here 4a. So it is sec 4. Otherwise you can change it also. But when you change it 90 minus, and whenever we write minus, always use a bracket here. Okay, because here more than one number. That's why. Okay dear. So now 90 minus 4a equal to a minus 2a. So same as it is. You have to do yourself. Okay dear. Now question number last. Which one? Question number 4. Question number 4 also like Question number 3 and 5. If tan A equal to cot B, tan A equal to cot B, prove that A plus B equal to 90. It's very simple. We have to show that they are equal when both of the sum is 90. Yes, 90 minus A plus A cancel A. Both are sum is 90, then they are equal. I told you na, in starting tan 48, tan 2 degree is equal to cot 88. 2 plus 88, 90. I explained in starting. Now here also you can, when A plus B, then they are always equal. Look at why. So look at what we write. Yes, tan A. Can you say that A equal to B? No, because one is tan, one is cot. So we will change. Both are in tan or in both are in cot. So cot, what you can write? Tan 90 minus B. Tan 90 minus A is cot A. Tan 90 minus B, cot A, B. We can write cot B equal to this one or not? So look at, it is tan, it is tan. So it means both angle are equal. So A equal to 90 minus B. Very simple. B is another side, positive. And we proved that A plus B is 90. Okay dear, nothing is given. Only we have to always remember dear, tan A equal to cot B, we will change in both in cot or both in tan. In any question, if sine is cos is given, so we will change in sine or cos dear. Okay dear. So we only 2 question is left of this exercise. Rest of already finished. Okay dear. So thank you everyone. Have a nice day.